Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to measure and compare lengths of objects using smaller objects. Let's find the length of this marker. We can measure its length using wooden cubes. We align the first cube to one end of the marker and count the number of cubes we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The length of the marker is equal to 6 wooden cubes. We can also use other objects to measure the lengths of this marker. Let us use paper clips now. We align the first paper clip to one end of the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, the length of the marker is equal to 5 paper clips. We can use the paper clips to measure the lengths of other objects, such as this toy. Can you tell what is the length of the toy measured using paper clips? Pause and discuss with your friends. The length of the toy is equals to 3 paper clips. Let's move the toy up so we can measure the length of another object. What is the length of this straw? The length of the straw is equals to 2 paper clips. Now, can we compare the length of these 3 objects? Which object is the longest? Which object is the shortest? Pause and discuss with your friends. Let's arrange the objects according to their lengths. The marker is 5 paper clips long. The toy is 3 paper clips long. The straw is 2 paper clips long. So, the marker is the longest object, and the straw is the shortest object. Did you get it right? Today we have learned how to measure and compare lengths of objects using smaller objects. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.